Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you the best method to use Cash App for budgeting. Alright, it's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste much time on this topic, so let's get straight into it as usual. Alright, so the best method to use Cash App for budgeting is to apply structure outside the app while maintaining discipline inside it. Since Cash App lacks built-in budgeting tools, you want to treat it as a controlled spending account. Start by deciding how much money you will allow into Cash App for a given period, such as weekly or monthly. Transfer only that amount and keep excess funds in a separate bank or savings account. Use transaction notes consistently to label expenses by categories, make reviews easier later. Check your activity history at set intervals, because this is going to show you where money is going, and of course you can adjust future transfers accordingly. Pair this routine with a simple spreadsheet or budgeting app to record totals. Budgeting with Cash App works best when limits are defined in advance and followed strictly. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.